Hello guys, I'm going to discuss about Spring Cloud Kubernetes Discovery Client in this example. So in the last video we have covered like how to build and deploy the Spring Cloud with the Mongo database in the Kubernetes cluster. So I'm going to take that same example here as a product service. So I have added like few dependencies related to this Kubernetes, that is Spring Cloud Starter Kubernetes All, Spring Cloud Kubernetes Discovery, and I have added one annotation, that is enable discovery client. So apart from these two changes, everything is same as the previous example. So if you are not familiar with how to build the Spring Cloud with the Mongo database, so please go through my previous video. So I have added that in this description link, okay, in this video description link. So this service as a product service, I'm taking as a product service, and I'm going to call this product service inside this cart service, okay, by using the Feign client. So this product service will return the some response related to this product, like id, product id, and description and price, okay. So I'm going to add this information inside this cart. So here also in the pom.xml in my cart service, so I have added like few dependencies related to cloud and few dependencies related to Spring Cloud Kubernetes, okay. So that is like Spring Cloud Kubernetes Discovery and Spring Cloud Starter Kubernetes config, and I'm using Feign, right? So I have added open Feign here and ribbon, so Netflix ribbon. So these are the dependencies I have added in this pom.xml. And so this is the entity class, so my cart class, which will have like data related to product. And so we have controller here. So in the controller I have a endpoint, so that endpoint will get the data from product and I am adding to my cart, okay. So before that we need to add our client class here. So that client class will have like all the information related to this product service. So I'm using here Feign client, okay. So like we need to write the interface here, okay. So that interface will have like service related endpoints. So that is public, so list of products, so product, list, okay, product. So get products, okay. And so this is, so get mapping, so which will have like endpoint name is find all products, and so this is a Feign client, so we need to add Feign client annotation, okay. So we need to add the service name. So our service name is, so our product service name we will have in the application.yaml file. So I will show you guys. So this is our application name. So this is a service name of product service. I'm going to add inside this Feign client annotation, okay. So that's it. So this client proxy is ready now. So I'm going to call this service inside our controller, okay. So controller, okay, this is, okay. So I'm going to auto add this, and by using this proxy I will get all the product information inside our cart service controller. And so I am looping the all the data and I am adding to my cart, and finally I am returning my cart here. Okay, that's it guys. And after that we need to add few annotations to my main class. Yeah, so before that we need to add ribbon configuration. So the ribbon configuration will have like data related to that service information, right? So basically this ribbon Spring Cloud Kubernetes allows the integrate the Kubernetes discovery with the Spring Boot application by providing the implementation of Kubernetes discovery client. Okay, here we are taking the advantage of built-in integration with the ribbon client for communication directly to the pods. So without calling the Kubernetes service, we are directly communicating with pods. Okay, so that's what we are doing here. And what I'm doing here is I'm just added one method, that is ribbon servers list. So by using the discovery client, I'm getting the information related to that product service instances and the names and the server names and the host and the port numbers. I'm just returning that server's information. Okay, so I'm just auto configuring here, and so I'm going to add that information here. So that is enable not enable, I think so. So ribbon clients, okay, so default configuration is, our class name is ribbon configuration guys. So ribbon configuration dot class. Okay, and okay, I need to add one more annotation, that is auto configure after. Okay, so this auto configure after, and we have like two annotations, like auto configure after and auto configure before annotations. If our configuration needs to be applied in a specific order, then we have to add this annotations, right? So if you're not familiar with this, so you can just go through the basics of this auto configure after and before annotations, you will get one idea. Okay, so this is the ribbon clients information that I have added here, and this is the product service proxy. So I have added this Fein client, and inside the controller, so I have adding this product information. Okay, and I think that's it guys. So what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to build the Docker image first, and after that I'm going to create the service objects. Okay, and the inside this deployment .yaml file, so I have product service and the deployment for this Kubernetes cluster. So it's simple only. So if you're not familiar with this, so you can just go through my video, so the basic video, so you will have like a good idea. So this is the Docker file, and the application.yaml file I have added. So I have added like the application name, and so Jackson serialization in and output is equal to, this is to format the JSON, so I have added this, and the server port number 8090. Okay, and these are the actuator endpoints related properties. So that's it guys. So let me open the console. So docker images, okay, docker build. So I'm going to create the docker image for this. So I have defined this image name, so this name should be matched with our image name, okay. So let me paste here. So it will take like a couple of seconds. So once this image is created, now I'm going to create the this deployment and service objects. So that's it guys. So yeah, deployment.yaml file also is located in the same path. So yeah, so I'm not going to use the REST template here, so I'm going to use the Feign client and the Ribbon client. So most of the real-time applications will use the Feign client, so instead of the REST template. So if you have like any doubts on any difficulties to implement this example, so please let me know in the comment section, so I will try to help you guys. And also like I am going to add this in the GitHub repository, and I will provide that repository link in this video description, okay. So you can get it this example and try to implement in your system. So if you find any difficulties, so please let me know, okay. So in the comment section, so I will try to help you and I will try to respond to your questions, okay. So it's created. So kubectl apply minus deployment.yaml. So it will take like a couple of seconds guys. So in the meantime, so let me check. So this is our product service. So it is returning product response, okay. And so I'm going to get the same information. So while I'm trying to add to this my cart, so our endpoint is, so let me check the endpoint here. So our endpoint is my cart. So my cart product ID and gets created kubectl get parts, okay. Kubectl, let me check the logs guys, so whether it has been successfully started or it's thrown the error. So still it is in progress. It will take a couple of seconds. It won't take much time guys. So let me check the services, kubectl.services. So this is our cart service. So yeah, which will runs on 30082, okay. So mapped from 8092 to 30082. So let me open another tab. Let me copy this guys. Let's paste here. So 30082. So my cart and the product ID is 123, okay. So now see here, we got the data. So we got the data from product service to my cart, so which is added successfully to my cart, okay. So this is how like this will work guys. So yeah, let me add one more product information to Q33 iPhone. So second product also is successfully added. So this product ID is 33, right? So let me add this 33. See here, so it's added. So it's working successfully, guys. So I'm going to add this in GitHub repository. So try to get this and try to implement in our system. So please let me know in the comment sections if you find like any difficulty. So I hope like you guys are enjoyed my video. So if you like this video, so please do like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.